El Nino is a disruptor of normal weather patterns. But how exactly does it do that? Hang tight as we delve deeper. To understand the workings of El Nino, imagine the Pacific Ocean as a vast heat-exchanging machine. Our story begins with the trade winds, those consistent air currents blowing from east to west across the equatorial Pacific. These winds are the gears of our imagined machine, driving the warm surface waters towards the western Pacific. But every 2 to 7 years, these gears falter, the trade winds weaken, and our machine begins to behave differently. With the weakening of these winds, the warm waters, like a pent-up river breaking its banks, start flowing back towards the central and eastern Pacific. Picture it as a gentle but massive shift in the ocean's balance, a tidal wave of warmth surging eastwards. The result? A significant rise in the ocean surface temperatures. But the effects of El Nino aren't confined to the ocean. No, the consequences ripple out.
Wala na din. Nag-stack up na oh. Paano to?
In normally wet regions like Australia and
Nag-stack up
Indonesia,
yung ko,
El Nino
screen.
plays a major role in our weather patterns. It's like a maestro conducting an orchestra, shaping and guiding the music of our global climate. But understanding El Nino is not just for the sake of knowledge. It's crucial for weather forecasting, agriculture, and disaster preparedness efforts around the globe. By studying and monitoring these events, scientists can predict their onset and strength, helping communities and governments better prepare for their potential impacts. So, the next time you notice an unusual weather pattern, remember it.
Janji, walang jacket. Saglit lang
that we understand how El Nino works. What does it mean for us and our planet?
Bakit ganyan? Wala.
Extends far beyond the equatorial Pacific Ocean,
Mag-stack up
impacting
yung
weather
ko
systems worldwide. Its influence on atmospheric circulation patterns can lead to a cascade of climatic effects, turning our weather topsy-turvy.
Mag-stack up.
Imagine regions typically kissed by the sun suddenly drenched in a deluge of rain, like certain parts of South America that received heavy rainfall during an El Nino event. Conversely, areas that usually enjoy a good soak, like can find themselves parched.
Ito magtitikto tayo nito
This flip in weather patterns is a signature of El Nino, with floods, droughts, and other extreme weather events to its tune. But El Nino's reach isn't confined to dry land. It dives deep into our oceans too, disrupting marine ecosystems. As the ocean waters warm, fish, following their instinct for survival, alter their migration patterns. This can create ripples in fishing industries as their aquatic bounty becomes elusive. Agriculture, another pillar of our livelihood, isn't immune either. The altered rainfall patterns play havoc with crop cycles. Some regions might face failures or
pindutin mo yung nasa taas baba kanan.
unexpected weather changes.
Sa taas.
And El Nino doesn't play by a
pindutin mo yung nasa baba kanan.
Occur every 2 to 7 years and can last several months to over a year.
Ito.
The intensity of each event can vary, with some being merely a warm wind
kanan,
while
baba
others
kanan.
roar in with full force. But nature, as always, seeks balance. Enter La Nina, El Nino's cooler counterpart. Characterized by cooler than average sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern Pacific, La Nina often follows an El event, offering a contrasting climatic counterpoint. In the face of El Nino and its impacts, our understanding and preparedness are our best defense. So let's keep learning and let's keep adapting.
May ads. Nasaan ito? Butag na niya lang ako nakakaranas dito Pindutin mo yung nasa baba. Dito naman. Nag-stack up din dito. Nangyari, ito talagang problema ng Derek Derek Live Parang back dyan, sir. Saan yun? Hindi pwedeng baka maano to. Kaliwa pala sir yung